Good morning, Yara.
Good morning, doctor.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
What seems to be the matter?
Well, lately I have been feeling tired and occasionally I have had a really bad headache and an upset stomach. On top of that, I have had this persistent cough for the last 2 weeks.
When did you start having these symptoms?
I started feeling tired 2 months ago, then after a little bit, the headaches came. I got the upset stomach long before feeling tired.
Are you taking any medications?
Yeah, only my vitamins.
What vitamins are you taking?
I am taking my multivitamin tablet and extra vitamin C every day.
Okay, let me take your vital signs. Please go over there so I can take your vital signs. Your arm, please.
How am I doing, doctor?
First have a seat and I'll tell you how you're doing. Everything seems to be good. Normal blood pressure and no high temperature.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much.
Did you run a fever too?
I don't think so.
Okay, let me do a quick physical checkup. Please take a deep breath, hold it, now exhale. Do it again, please. Has there been any change in your weight or diet lately?
Well, I eat the usual thing, but I lost 5 pounds recently.
Did you suffer from insomnia?
Well, it's pretty hard for me to fall asleep when I go to bed, and I woke up many times during the night.
How are things at work?
There was a change of ownership 3 months ago, and I had to work a lot of overtime, even during the weekend.
It looks like you have pneumonia. Other than that, I do not see any problems. You are probably under stress from the changes at work, and that stress can sometimes cause headaches, upset stomach, and sleeplessness. For now, try to relax and exercise. It may solve your problem, but if the symptoms persist, come back to me and I'll do further tests. For now, I'll be running a prescription for your pneumonia. Are you allergic to any medications?
Not to my knowledge.
Okay, take some medications 3 times a day after you eat. I also want you to have some blood tests, so please, on your way out, stop at the laboratory and have the nurse to draw your blood.
I am anxious to know my cholesterol level. When will I get the result of the blood test?
The results will be available in 2 weeks. Do not stress yourself. I am sure everything will be okay.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
It's my pleasure. I hope you get better soon.